welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showcasing the BeautyBarBaby eyeshadow pigment in the shade Abracadabra, called a Quad Chrome Mega Shifting Eyeshadow, and it's from the Magic Wand collection. On the website it says it shifts from teal to plum purple to grape purple and to blue. And as you can see, I just got the sifter loose version of this eyeshadow. And it's a super gorgeous color, and I really wanted to show it off today and see how you could wear it in a look. And I just wanted to show you guys how I apply it and just to showcase this brand. In today's look, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the 35 color pressed pigment palette. I have a whole video on this if you want to check that out. And I've already done my face, my base makeup. I'm going to start with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer, and I'm going to set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte Setting Powder. And then I'm going to go into my Morphe X Casting Lights palette and grab this warm brown shade. And I'm just going to run it all in my crease with the Morphe M433. Now going into my Brazil palette, I'm going to take this aqua color right here, this aqua blue color, and I'm going to take a BH Cosmetics brush. It's a number 9 brush, I believe. But I'm just going to put that on my outer V and in my inner corner of my eye to create a halo eye. This is more of a transition blue color because we're going to go into the next one over, which is more of a darker teal color. And then we're just going to build up the color because we don't want to go right into the deeper ones because the transition won't be as smooth. I have a video coming on these BH Cosmetic brushes, so stay tuned for that review. And I'm also going through the crease with it. Then I'm going into this color right here, which is more of a blue / purple kind of shade. And I'm just going to put that on my outer V and my inner corner like I've been doing. And just building up that color slowly. It's not the most pigmented, as you can see, but I'm just going to build it up slowly and buff it into the crease and on the outer corners. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges. Then I'm going to grab this shade, which is more of a darker purple color. Don't really know how to say it. I would like a violet purple. It's pretty electric. And then that's going to go on my outer V and my inner corner. As you can see, it's starting to darken the eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to go up to this top shade, which is more of a lighter purple color. It's more of a pink purple fuchsia. And building up the color even more, running it through the crease. And you can see the layers of purple and blue starting to come together. And then I'm grabbing this smaller brush, which is the BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and going back into that darker purple color and just concentrating it more on the inner and outer corners just to intensify it a little bit more. Now I'm going to do some more detailed work with my Morphe MB27 into the blue color that we've been going into, and I'm just going to pack that on to my outer corners to deepen things up a lot more and just to add some more dimension. Here's the look so far. Now I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to put that on the center of my lid with this flat kind of concealer brush, and I'm going to just put that on the center of my lid to create like a halo eye or a spotlight smoky eye, kind of something like that. And I'm just going to put that on there with my brush, but you can also go in with your finger just to tap it out. Make sure it's very sticky so then your pigment will stick onto it. So I'm just going to dump some of that Abracadabra into my lid there, and this is what it looks like. It's not too messy, I found. And I'm just going to use my finger to pack it on there because my base is nice and sticky for it to be applied. You could also wet your brush if that's easier for you and you don't have a sticky kind of glitter base. You can really see the green shining through in this lighting here, but if you go into different lighting conditions, you might see the other shades. I found that I only see like the purple and the green the most. I don't really see the burgundy color. I'm just wiping away some fallout. Wasn't as much as I expected though, and that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to use that same detailed pencil brush from Morphe, and I'm going to go into the same shades we've been using, so the purples and blues, And I'm just going to deepen things up a little bit more and also blend it into the Abracadabra shade that we just used. Then I'm just going to blend out the edges a little bit more with the BH brush. Now I'm just applying more pigment because I lost some when I was blending. Now I'm going to go into the black of the palette, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm just going to deepen out the outer corners and inner corner because I felt like it needed a little bit of deepening because it wasn't as deep as I wanted it to be. I felt like it was just too blank and purple. Like, I wish I had a darker purple than I did, but the black did work out, just I didn't use too much of it because I didn't want to go too black. And that's pretty much what the final look is going to look like before some mascara and everything else. Now I'm going to use my Stila Kitten Single Eyeshadow for my inner corner and brow bone highlight. It's like the perfect shade for my inner corners. It's like a pinky champagne and it's very bright. Now I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics number 10 brush. This pencil brush is so nice and soft, and it's almost a dupe for my Morphe E36 Holy Grail pencil brush. And I'm just going to go into all the shades we've been doing earlier. So I'm just going to start off with the lightest purple shade and work that from outer to inner corner on my lower lash line. And then I'll get deeper and I'll just kind of mimic what I did on my lid. So I'll just keep the outer corners more darker and then the center a little bit more lighter. Now I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and it's in the shade Deep End. And this kind of shows the reflection of the pigment that we use, so it ties in perfectly on my waterline. And these are new eyelash colors I've been loving from Tweezerman. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm going to use my Pixie by Petra Lower Lash Mascara. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cream Eyeliner in the shade Black, which is in my Project Pan, if you want to go check those videos out. Or if you have been watching, you know that I've been using it as my tight line recently, and I've really been enjoying that. Now I'm going to use my Hula Light by Benefit. It's just a nice bronzer for my light skin tone. And I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro bronzing brush. It's number 15, and it's really nice and soft. And then also do a little bit of bronzing on my nose and lower lip with the number 14 brush. Then I'm going to grab my Tartelette Celebrated Amazonian Clay blush. And then I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Mineral Powder brush to put it on. Then for highlight, I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Morizy highlighter. It is so gorgeous, and applying it with my Morphe M501 brush to give myself a nice golden champagne glow. I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, and my upper lip, or my cupid's bow area, and also just a little bit on my forehead to look extra glowy. Then grab my Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray and just setting everything in place. And then I'm going to move on to lips, and I'm going to be using my Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in the shade Lost in Love. And then I'm going to try and decide between these two lips options, just some new lips to go with these dark eyes. And I decided on the Dose of Colors collab with Luster Lux and Dizzy Perkins in the shade No Shade. It's just kind of like this yellow undertoned nude. And then here is the final look, glowy and purpley. And it's not really perfect for summer, but I really love the shifting pigment. I really wanted to showcase it on my channel today. So if you guys like it, please subscribe below and like and comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video, and hopefully I'll see you then. Bye!